If I speak, go there. If I speak, go there. You understand who go there? You and me and he and the whom go there. If I speak, come here. Who come here? Children, hello. How are you? I hope you are amazed at what ma'am is saying. Beta, without any sentences, how you come to know that what I am speaking? So, sentences are very important in our life to understand what we are going to speak to others. Like we have a rabbit here. Rabbit, rabbit. Understand what the rabbit, but rabbit is jumping, rabbit is eating. I have to speak the full sentence. So, beta, we have to write the sentences, and some rules of sentences are there that I am going to tell you. Use capital letters and full stop and rewrite the following sentences. The first letter of any sentence should be capital, and when we finish the sentence we have to put a dot, that is called full stop. So here we will write T capital, and when it ends then we will put a dot, that is called full stop. Then this is also capital letter, then full stop and capital letter. Always remember, the sentence starts with the capital letter. Now here we have the column and we have to match it. This you will do yourself in your book. Now what is subject and predicate? Beta, what is this? The cat is sitting on the mat. The cat. What cat is doing? If I speak only the cat, will you understand what I am going to say? You can't understand. But if I'll speak, the cat is sitting on the mat. The cat is, we can divide into two parts. The cat is we are talking about whom? Cat. And who is sitting on the mat? Cat. Then cat is the subject because we are talking about the cat. And is sitting on the mat is the predicate, that we are talking about the cat, that she is sitting on the mat. That means sitting on the mat is the predicate. I am giving you more examples like apples are sweet. Here we are talking about what? Apple. And what the apple is? Are sweet. Then the apple is the subject and are sweet is the predicate. Virat Kohli is a cricketer. We are talking about whom? Virat Kohli. And the Virat Kohli is a cricketer. That means Virat Kohli is the subject and we are talking about that he is a cricketer. So the is cricketer is the predicate. So you understand that we are talking about whom? Like I am talking about that the Radhika is a good girl. So I am talking about Radhika, and Radhika is a what? Subject, and other is a good girl is the predicate. I hope you understand what is subject and what is predicate. Here jumble word and sentences are given. So naughty mouse was. Mouse was the naughty. The mouse was naughty. The mouse, the subject will come. The person which we are talking for that will come first. Naughty will not come, subject will come first. The mouse is the subject and the predicate will come last. The mouse was naughty. So here the mouse is the subject. It does not have any meaning. Let us rearrange these words. The mouse was naughty. Now these words have a meaning. They form a sentence. Look at the another group of words. Angry lion was the. Here what is the subject? We have to talk about the lion. The lion will come first and lion was angry. Then it will come last. The lion is the subject and is angry is the predicate. So I hope you understand with this example also. Now dress is her beautiful. We are talking about her. Then her will come first because it become subject. Then her, what is beautiful? Dress. Then her dress is beautiful. Then now I hope you understand. Then others will do yourself and just see whether you have done right and wrong. Just show to your mother. Now question and statement. But where we put the question mark? There is the question. Question. What is your name? What? Mainly in the question W family will come. Where? What? Why? So W family will come with these question sentences. Okay. And the statement is what? The sentences 2, 4 and 6 say something each has full stop at the end. 1 to 5 ask questions and each question mark at the end they are questions. If we have the question mark, these are the questions. Okay. And the statement ends with the full stop. Simple. Questions with ends with the question mark and statement ends with the full stop. I hope you understand and you like this and you will revise it home. Thank you. Have a nice day.